Okay, so we're on our way to Busch Gardens today.
What's up? Day 2 of roller coaster riding.
Tell them what happened to your windshield yesterday.
So, dump truck was coming the other way and either kicked up a stone or a stone came off of the truck, and well, there's a big crack in my window now.
So we're almost at Busch Gardens.
Is it this?
Does it say parking pass?
Yep.
So we've arrived at Busch Gardens, and I'm trying to get some footage of the one coaster here.
See where it goes this way. It drops and then drops again. There to go.
And look at the blue. Look at the blue.
Yeah, no. That ain't it. No, it completely flips or it corkscrews. No. Ain't happening. Not in this lifetime. Ooh, and it's like a vertical drop at the other end.
As you can see, there's a lot of cars here.
Now, of course, I would normally say.
Some more footage of the track.
That's Apollo's Chariot, the purple one.
Apollo's Chariot.
I'll go right down next to that pickup truck.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as we arrive at the gate, I'm going to ask you to check your vouchers and your tickets. If you're going to Zone A, that's off the tram, that's on the right. That building over there is where you can purchase your passes, your dining experiences, and your quick queues. If you're going to Zone B, that's off the tram and on the left, that's a self-service ticketing area. If you have a D, you just go down the hill, let security check your bag, go inside the park. Also, if you have a star, that means you're in the military or you know, the fireman or something like that. Thank you for doing that for us. Go down, let security check your bag, go inside the park. And C is guest relations. That's down the hill and on the right. All right, kids, this is where all the fun begins. Elmo lives here. Elmo, Big Bird, Snuffleupagus. No, I don't think he's here. He might be. He might be. And let's see. Bert and Ernie. Grover. Cookie Monster. I had lunch with Cookie Monster. He ate a big cookie.
Everybody's flooding out.
All right, you guys have a great day. Watch your head and step and have a lot of fun.
Alright, so we just got to the park. The amusement park. And the rest of the footage that's going to be shown on the camera is going to be my mom's. That she's going to just not do the rides and ride around the whole park and get pictures of the coasters and different things they have here at Busch Gardens. And anything that is from the actual thrill rides or vlogs or anything will just be on my iPhone. Let's start the day.
Tweedside Station, please remain seated until the train has come to a full complete stop and you have heard the engineer's whistle. Once you have heard that whistle, you may exit to the left-hand side and the left-hand side only. Please be careful getting off the train. Please do not switch sides from the right-hand side of the train or get off on the right-hand side as there is no platform. Once again, please remain seated until the train, the oldest coaster in the park.
That's the old-fashioned roller coaster.
careful getting off the train. To the weightless wonder of floating airtime, which has kept coaster enthusiasts coming back for more year after year. Guests daring enough to take on Tempesto will race into unbelievably tight turns at 63 miles per hour and defy gravity as they roll through a complete inversion, 154 feet in the air. With 3 launch experiences and insignificant Thank you for riding and have an excellent day at Busch Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, this caravan in front, your stop for Invader, which we are currently passing under. On your water roller coaster. Also, this is also your stop for the Scoot Log Flu, Alpengeist, and Griffin. This is also your stop for New France, Germany, Oktoberfest, including Dodgefest House and the Black Forest picnic area. Once again, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until we come to a full and complete stop. And you have heard the whistle. Once again, please be sure to stay seated until you hear the whistle. If you are exiting at this station, be sure to collect up all your personal belongings, including your children. Before exiting to your right, but once again, please remain seated until you hear the whistle.
Thank you for riding and have an excellent day at Busch Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, this caravan in front, your stop for Invader, which we are currently passing under. On your water roller coaster. Also, this is also your stop for the Scoot Log.
Still waiting for them to call me.
The oldest coaster in the park. This interlocking, double-looping coaster stretches a monstrous 13 stories tall before racing those who challenge it down a 114-foot drop at a speed of 60 miles per hour. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we approach Tweedside Station, please remain seated until the train has come to a full, complete stop and you have heard the engineer's whistle. Once you have heard that whistle, you may exit to the left-hand side and the left-hand side only. Please be careful getting off the train. Please do not switch sides from the right-hand side of the train or get off on the right-hand side as there is no platform. Once again, please remain seated until the train. As we approach Caribou Station, please listen to the following safety announcement. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your right and right-hand side.
See at least one. And to congregate on the sit-out here off to your right. See a couple at the top of the hill. If anybody's still at the park later on, come right at the train about 7, 8 o'clock and you'll see a whole group of them out here off to your right.
Did you know you can celebrate?
Okay, we're out of the park and we're completely wet and soaked from the rain.
Stop the tram.
It was a great day. We did get to fit in the front seat of the Griffin at the end.
That's pretty awesome. I'm speechless right now. I'm just speechless. They didn't have the trams running. They just made their guests walk through the ocean.
Thunderstorm. We slammed in a car.
As you can see, it's raining very bad.
Closest one to the park, you should have
Well, it's the second closest one. The one was right there at the park. I think that was...
These eagles are incapable of flight and therefore unable to survive in the wild.
Oh! Thank you. Even that was elegant.